All the balls. Ball number 90. Hanala, first on ball. First deep ball. One hit the ball. Ball number 30, first ball, skate deep ball, one hit ball. Those just for power playing dead ball.
Sound check, sound check.
Number 5, Golden Power.
Hoy, diri ra diri.
Number 9, stop well.
Hello. Ate. Ah.
Live mga ka-Asenso diri sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup Urban Division Games. Barangay Linyansa versus Barangay Balintawak. Madungog ra. Ay, very good. Thank you very much. Alright, medyo na late ta gamay mga ka-Asenso kay grabe agi kay sa ulan ba. No, so gila importante wa ta nabasa, gwapo gyapon. Pero okay po na mabasa ta pero gwapo gyapon. Importante na gwapo gyapon. And now 4-11 Liniensa on the lead. It's Barangay Balintawak versus Barangay Liniensa. Opsima jumper is good. And I'd like to congratulate no Barangay Palpalan for winning the game. Kasi ndog sa Barangay Palpalan knockout system sa ato ang play-in period no sa Makasing Rural Division A. Congratulations to Barangay Palpalan for advancing the next round of their play-in. Okay? They will be fighting for the 4th spot mga ka-Asenso. While congratulations also to Barangay Makasing for winning one of their elimination games between Makasing and Lumad. And now, we're going to witness Barangay Liniensa and Barangay Balintawak of this ball game. One of their last games nga mahitabo, no? Gamay-gamay na lang yun sila dula. Hopefully next week play-in period na tanan. So, good luck sa mga mananaog o good luck sa tanang manulaay. As Opsima almost missed that pass. Crosses over against Doña. Opsima, good feed inside sa ilalim. Para kay Kalawan, missing that layup. Nagmintis pa. Sayang. Shout out ko kay J-Sam diha. Wapo mo kay J-Sam ron. Mura maglaki. And out of bounds. Also, shout out kang Raima. Di pa managad. Di pa managad si Raima, no? Ate kayo. Di pa mungisi. Wala. Paka-headset. And bola mapupunta pa rin sa Barangay Liniensa. And now Sisikan will check in for Barangay Balintawak. Balotaulo, jumper, lumagpas. And a shot clock violation called against Barangay Liniensa. Kalawan for 3. Missed. Doña with the ball, passing it to Doña. Slow motion and it's good. Puerto to Opsima. Sisikan, good feed inside, intercepted lang. And now bola mapupunta kay Balotaulo to Caballero. 6-15 Liniensa on the lead. As Caballero tries to drive and fakes jump. Tinuloy, missed. Calderon tinapik para kay Puerto against Doña. Puerto lays it up and it's good. Caballero to Doña. Inside to Diva. Ball strip from behind by Kalawan. Another pass break for Puerto. 4 straight points para kay Puerto this afternoon mga ka-Asenso. 10-15. 5-point lead for Barangay Liniensa. Caballero to Diva. Inside. Another interception by Barangay Balintawak. Kalawan to Opsima. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Rebounded by Opsima. No look pass para kay Sisikan. Jumper is good. 6 straight points. And another steal for Barangay Balintawak. Missed after missed here for Liniensa. Bang! Opsima nails the dagger 3 to tie the game at 15 as the game clock winds down with 18 seconds left in the first quarter. Caballero to Doña inside. Balotaulo jumper. Miss. Diva with the rebound. Second chance. No good. Opsima. At traveling violation called against Opsima. with 0.8 seconds left. Abi no, 10-0 run. 10 dili di ay. 8-0 run for Barangay Balintawak. Hinabol bigla. And we're tied at 15 as the first quarter ends. And this quarter, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Honorable Sam Tyra Co. And a big shout out also no to our league convener boss Lance Co. Mayong hapon ni Maria sir, thank you sa pag-atiman no sa mga kabarangay no to diya sa Tiguma nga nabahaan. Salamat kayo. So again no, congratulations sa mga mananaog sa Rural A Division for advancing the second round. Kaganina mga ka-Asenso, it's Barangay Palpalan versus Barangay Gubac, and Palpalan got the win. So they'll be advancing for the second round of the play-in. This week, mga ka-Asenso, unsa man ron, Rural A gyapon, Rural B. First game sa Rural B will be karong Miyerkules, no? It's Barangay Bomba versus Barangay Pidulunan. First game ni siya. Rural B na po ni siya nga division. Bracket sa Murikay. Murikay within the first spot. Ngisi din J-Star mo. Securing the quarterfinals. And Sisika nails that jumper from the mid-range. Caballero. Balik kay Caballero. Tubalat. Balik kay Caballero ulit. Tries to fake. Di makalusot. Corner pass. Corner 3. And no good. Sisikan with the rebound. Puerto behind his back. Feeding Sisikan. Not ready for that pass. Intercepted by Balat. Skinny jeans is not my lover. Saan naman ginulan mo? Balintawak naman ngayon ang lamang with 2 points. As we open the second quarter, Balat outside. Feeding Bulotaulo, missed that pass. Pass break, Opsima, yes sir! And the tables have turned, mga ka-Asenso. Lamang naman ngayon ang Barangay Balintawak with 4 points. Caballero, tumira ng 3. Mintes, tapi ka ng bola. Number 12 wins the rebound. Guro, behind the back pass para kay Puerto, and he was not ready for that pass, forcing them to commit a turnover. (19-15). Caballero to Bulotaulo. Ganda ng pwesto ni Bulotaulo sa ilalim. Tatlong bantay. Medyo hindi kaya si Bulotaulo sa tatlong bantay na yun. Kung sa bagay, no, nindot ang iyang pwesto sa ilalim. Ay, nagwapo, kaya ako na. Nindot lang. Sisikan, another jumper from the mid-range. Missing it this time. Kalawan with the rebound. Second chance point is good by Kalawan. Sa bagay, Bulotaulo using his experience, long experience in the ball game. He really knows kung asa yun dapat mo pwesto. So for him to receive a good pass. And of course, ang iyang execution sa tira. Alright, but still, no, Balintawak is on the lead. Medyo lamang sila sa fast break points. That was 8 straight points for Barangay Balintawak. Hinabol bigla. Tied at 15 as the first quarter ends. And now, 3 points lead for Barangay Balintawak. Now to Kalawan. Free throw, and it's good. Completing the 3-point play. Caballero to Balat for 3. Missed. Longakit is there to get the rebound. Second chance. Good. Naana po'y nagpahipi sa daplin. Good. Ayo rang pang sabligag tubig sa ulan. Opsima. Driving. No look pass inside to Kalawan. Lumabas. Turn around. Jumper missed. Caballero. Fast break pass. Para kay Balat. Ako na muna ang titira. And missed. Udin is there. At tumapak sa linya. Out of bounds. Stepping on the line. And out of Puerto. Sisikan. Muntikan pang na 8 seconds violation. Puerto with the ball. Jumper. 3-pointer. Missed. Tinapik ni Sisikan ang bola. And now goes to Guro. Guro for 3. Missed. Rebounded by Longakit. And Longakit now running. 3 against 3. Longakit all the way. Missed. Udin with the rebound. Bounce pass para kay Longakit. Baseline, no good. Sisikan with the rebound. Now to Puerto. Puerto running. Bounce pass para kay Opsima. And it's good. Caballero. Another miss from downtown. Udin lost the ball. Balat with a drive. No good. Passing it to Longakit. Balik kay Caballero sa labas. Nakalusot. Driving. Floater. Yes, sir. For Caballero. Pass break para kay Puerto. Hangs in the air. And missing that layup.
I'm a VIP.
Diva and Doña will check in for Barangay Linienza as Sisikan and Mojado will check in for Barangay Balintawak.
Number 60, Doña for number 20, Oli.
Puerto missed. Oy, kuang sukli ha. And Longakit to Diva. Mintes pa ang pasa. Now to Caballero. Bounce pass to Balotaulo. Ganda ng kita ni Caballero para kay Balotaulo. And again, no? Balotaulo with a good, maganda ang pwestuhan. Lain na po sa term, oy, pwestuhan man. Opsima to Puerto for 3. Miss. Too short. Pass break pass para kay Doña. Doña all the way. And it's good. Puerto to Opsima. Fakes that 3. Inside. Kalawan. Ganda ng ball movement for Barangay Balintawak.
Foul number 1. Balotaulo. First in the foul. First team foul. Linienza. Doñas for number 20, Sisikan.
Sisikan. And good for that free throw. Second throw. Caballero to Longakit. Driving. Now to Caballero for 3. Bang! Caballero finally hits that 3-pointer for Barangay Linienza. Kalawan. Cross-court pass. Now to Sisikan. Pull-up jumper blocked by Diba. Diva with the rejection in the face of Sisikan. Longgakit to Donya. Donya for 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3-pointer for Barangay Liniensa. At biglang lamang naman ngayon ang Barangay Liniensa for that back-to-back 3-pointer by Caballero and Donya. 26-31. Liniensa, Balintawak takes that timeout. Ang sukli.
Nana.
Ang sukli. Uy, ang sukli.
Isa.
Oh.
Thank you.
Balon. Kuhaan mo. Opsima. Tumuhado. Lamang naman ngayon ang Barangay Liniensa. Balik kay Opsima, balik kay Mojado. Mojado, shot clock winding down. Jumper short. Rebounded by Caballero. Now to Longgakit. Back to Caballero. Heavily guarded by Opsima. To Donya sa corner. Driving, feeding. Bolotaulo sa gitna. One-hander, no good. Diva with a putback and it's good. Advantage yun ni si Diva. Aside sa taas, gahi pag yun. Katugnaw ba? Kalawan. Floater, no good. Mojado. Floater again. And finally nails for Barangay Balintawak. And now Caballero. To Donya. Cross court para kay Longgakit. Driving. Heavy traffic. One-hander, no good. Opsima with the rebound. Heavily guarded. Opsima, pass break. Intercepted almost. Now to Saison. Umatake. Basket at may kasama pang foul para kay Saison. Ay.
Number 9, Jimeno. For number 60, Opsima.
And Jimeno will check in for Barangay Balintawak, replacing Opsima. As we can see in the bench, mga ka-asenso, wala si Puerto Garex.
VIP ako, VIP.
MVP.
MVP ako.
Donya for 3. In and out. Diva, what a putback. And what a rebound by Diva. .48 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Liniensa up by 5. Jimeno tries to drive. Miss. Mojado. Matake. Bounce. Ball stolen from his hands. Pass break para kay Diva. 2 against 2. Diva to number 19. Sabuero. Good look by Diva. Unselfish play here by Diva. Kita. And almost a steal. Kalawan umatake, ball straight from his hands again, and now fast break para kay Donya. Donya! Nagmintis pa, kinapos sa oras. That's the end of our first half, mga ka-asenso. 30-37, Liniensa up by 7 points. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Barangay Liniensa, steal after steal, back-to-back for a back-to-back fast break points. And this first half, mga ka-asenso, is brought to us by City Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balaleng Fernandez. See you in the second half.
No basket.
Third quarter mga ka-asenso. Linienza up by 7. Dungog paghihapon diha. Good, thank you J-Sam. Nagwapo yun na ng J-Sam oy. Donya for 3. Miss. Saison with the rebound. Hinabol talaga ang bola. Now to Puerto. And Puerto scores from that fast break. Lead now is cut to 5. Caballero. To Diba. Miscommunication. Now to Udin. Udin double team. Outside to Donya. Ayun si Caballero. Nakita sa ilalim. Now to Puerto. Puerto. Kalisar balik kay Puerto. Jumper. One-hander. Ganda ng tira ni Puerto. Smooth na smooth. Balik sa 5 ang lamang. Now to Donya. Caballero. Bounce pass inside and is fouled by Sisikan. Kaunsa.
Foul number 20. Steve first foul. First team foul.
Turnaround. Another turnaround and a fake. And scores Caballero. What a move. Dalawang turnaround ang ginawa ni Caballero for that score. Oh, shout out daw kay Alma Irog-Irog watching in Pakahayagan. Puerto. Now to Jimeno. Kalisar to Jimeno. No good. Caballero with the rebound. Pass break pass. Lumag pass. Out of bounds. Ocambras Sir Kalawan by sama ni. Di ko mabasa ani kay ko kasabot sa ngalan. Shout out kan John Montuerto. Ngawa misulod sa klase kay Nader Agalantaw from Dennis Batulan. Shout out Balintawak by Maris Documento. And also by Rico Engracial. Jeremy Mananding, shout out sa iyang team nga di Turay. Sisikan. First throw is missed. Second throw. And it's good. Opsima will check in. Para sa Barangay Balintawak, replacing Kalisar. 35-41. Lamang ang Barangay Linienza. Donya na bakante. Minili niyang mag-drive, mag-fake, and supalpal by Saison. Sayang, bakante na si Donya. Mas pinili pa niya lumapit sa ring. And now Saison blocks him. Donya, tumira na 3. Mintes, way off the mark. Udin is there to get the rebound. Driving, bounce pass. Nakuha ni Donya. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Jimeno with that scuffle. Now to Opsima. 3 against 2. Opsima kumalma. Umatra, shout out. Doy Ibina. Nga gadula dire og Call of Duty. One-hander by Puerto. Another smooth move by Puerto. Adre si Doy Ibina. Gadulag Call of Duty sa likod. Kaon pag burger. With blue lemonade. Ang daddy tawon. Tubig. Puerto turn around. Outside to Opsima for 3. No good. Saison with the rebound. Fakes, drives, and is fouled. Masyadong malakas ang hampas ni Donya. Sabuero will check in for Barangay Liniensa.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Liniensa.
Saison. First throw. Second throw, missed again. And ball intercepted by Barangay Balintawak. Opsima feeding Saison against Diba. And this time nakalusot. Auto Balat. Diba naman ang aatake and he is fouled. Saison with a nice strong move. First move ni Saison and he was fouled by Diba. Second move, ayan na, kumana na si Saison sa ilalim against a taller defender, Diba. Bolotaulo will check in for Barangay Liniensa, replacing Sabuero. Saison stealing the ball. Pass break para kay Puerto. Inabutan pa. Tumira ng corner 3. Ayun, Mintes gets his own rebound. Passing it to Sisikan. Ganda ng pasa ni Puerto. Ties the game at 41 with 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Caballero. Udiba. Good anticipation by Saison. Now stealing, passing it to Kalawan. And Kalawan for the lead. Napatawag ng timeout ngayon ang Barangay Liniensa because of that fast break points galing kay Kalawan. What a performance here by Saison. Anticipation pass. Alam na alam niya na ipapasa kay Donya ang bola. Kamingaw sa babayi sa live. Nag-inusara. Wala si DJ Jabs. Aman DJ Jabs di. Ay. Aman naman bad di dia. J Sam Guapo. Ano mo to? The very beautiful Mother Earth. And back to our ball game from that timeout. Pagkakataon ng Liniensa to tie the game. Caballero to Donya. To Diba. Inside Bolotaulo. Double team. Outside. Jumper. Donya scores. And Donya ties the game at 43. Puerto. Bounce pass para kay Opsima. Opsima driving, he's fouled. Uy. Ay, ayaw ibutang imong kuan diya.
Foul number 60. Donya. First in the foul. Third, huge foul. Liniensa.
Kalawan for 3. Bang! Kalawan nails that corner 3. Leads the game with 3 points. Caballero to Donya, gustong bumawi. Mintes, kapos ang tira. Now bola mapupunta kay Puerto. Garex Puerto, asa man ka, anong wala mga tre. Bugnaw ra ba ang basa ra bang yuta, galubong guro ni ba? Congratulations there, no, Garex Puerto. Welcome to the Husband Club. Bulotaulo, nice fake. Too strong. Caballero with a rejection. And there's a push there na itinawag ng referee. Against Bulotaulo. Ay, sorry. Puerto. Lenienza trailing by 3. Puerto to Opsima. Fakes, 7-second shot clock. Driving, using the screen. Puerto long 3 and missed.
Number 20, Oli. For number 22, Deva.
Sisikan with the reverse layup.
It's Riva.
Longaki to Caballero. Fakes. Floater. And it's good. Smooth move by Caballero. Nanalay na ni si Garex. Nahala, sige, pag-amping diha Garex. Ingat kanunay. And good luck. Kalawan to Puerto. Bang! With another 3 sa corner. Kamo dito no, alsa din no, nagkuan din mo. Tama di ay, kinumdum na ko. Bang! Caballero sumagot ng 3 para sa Barangay Lenienza. Able to not extend the lead. Opsima naman. Now to Kalawan. Fakes. Drives. Sisikan. Jumper. Off the mark. Bulotaulo with the rebound. Pass break para kay Donya. Tulonggakit. One-hander. No good. Udin wins the rebound. Caballero. Sidestep. Basket at may kasamang foul for Caballero.
Ball number 20 is taken. First foul for 2 foul by Nicola.
Caballero on the line, trying to complete a 3-point play and successful ang 3 points ni Caballero. Mojado naman ngayon. Kalawan, balik kay Mojado. Bounce pass para kay Sisikan. Labas para kay Opsima. Hesitation, pull up jumper. Too strong, tapikan ang bola. Sisikan wins the rebound against 2 taller players from Barangay Lenienza. And Kalawan missing that corner 3. Longgakit outside. Donya na bakante. Kinapos. Tapikan ang bola. Kalawan wins the rebound. Passing ito Sisikan. And out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Lenienza. Now Caballero, 15 seconds game clock. Tied at 51. Udin. Balik kay Caballero sa labas. Bang! Caballero! 3-pointer as the game clock winds down for the 3rd quarter.
In of the 3rd quarter.
And Lenienza now up by 4 points. Galing sa 3 points ni Caballero as the 3rd quarter ends. Up next mga ka-Asenso, it's Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay Santiago, followed by Barangay Bulatok versus Barangay Santa Lucia, and Balangasan versus Santa Maria.
Pila ko sa double kill.
Puerto o Opsima, fourth quarter. Balik kay Opsima. Tukalawan sa corner. Puerto sa gitna, tumira ng tres. Bang! Tinapla ni Puerto ang score from downtown, tied at 54. Close game mga ka-Asenso. Back to square one. Ang higpit ng depensa.
On Nawa, Stephen, personal foul.
And Kalawan committed a foul. Now Caballero. Tubulo Taulo. Longakit for three. Bang! Longakit nails that three-pointer, leading the game with 3 points. 54-57. Uy, Linyensa ang labaw, uy. Linyensa ang labaw, 54-57. And missing the three-pointer. Shot clock violation committed by Barangay Balintawak. Nabali ang score. Okay. Ayan. Caballero. 15-second shot clock. Bulotaulo, Longakit na naman. And miss. Donya tinapik. Bola to Diba. Caballero driving. And yes sir. Opsima. Long three. Missed. Diba with the rebound. Hindi makahakot si Diba ng rebound. Although marami-rami rin ang nakuha ni Diba ng rebound ngayon. But maganda ang depensa sa ilalim ng Barangay Balintawak. Refraining Diba to get rebounds. Ayun, no? Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Balintawak as Bulotaulo committed another foul. Third personal foul para kay Bulotaulo. Ayan o, yan ang bang sinasabi ko. Medyo maganda ang depensa sa ilalim ng Barangay Balintawak para makaminor og rebound ang Barangay Linyensa. Kalawan, bounce pass to Saison and is fouled. Actually, if Saison drives sa ilalim, it will be although advantage ang height, pero pag nanamugod sa ilalom kayo, as per observation, PK yun ang mga tag-as kay dali rin yun makita ang foul. Muna nga dapat distansya gamay. Kung taas ka nga player, distansya yung gagamay sa upinsa. Sa player nga nag-upinsa sa imuha kay para pabor sa imuha ang supalpal. Caballero to Donya. Diba, outside Longakit. To Caballero. Shot clock winding down. Caballero missed that jumper. And Caballero fouls Kalawan.
Ball number 7, Caballero. First foul. 5-point
lead for Barangay Linyensa. Meno will check in for Barangay Balintawak. Oy, shout out watching from DENR, Ramon Magsaysay, Alvin Quijano. Puerto with a long 3 miss. Sisikan, power move. Ayun, nabitawan. Gustong mag-power move. Nice cut by Puerto. Another one-hander off the board. No good. Longakit with the rebound. Now to Doña. 3-pointer. Another miss. Medyo kapos. Timeout called by Barangay Balintawak. With 5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter, 54-61. Big shout out also to St. Columban College, College of Criminology, headed by our very beautiful Dean, Romelinda Salvasor. And shout out also sa My Mac Printing Shop diha sa Sibukaw, Barangay Sibukaw, Dumalinaw. Uy, shout out Anbay Asentista of Barangay San Jose, Kalawan. Too strong for the 3-pointer. And now to Longakit. And ball stolen now by Puerto. Pass break para kay Obsero. What a block by Diba. And Puerto umatake. Blocking foul. And yun, may technical na itinawag. Diba with a nice rejection. Kisay technical? Rep! Klaro sa. Klaro sa ninyo. Hindi na mauna po na.
17 lagi. Diba number 17 technical?
Kisay technical? 17.
Number 7, Jacob Paul for
Yun.
Paul.
Dalawang foul agad para kay Caballero. Blocking at technical foul. Pilay foul. Third. Ayun, tatlo pa. May dalawa pa. 2 fouls to give pa si Caballero. 56-61. Okay, di na ako kabasag comment. Lobat na po na akong cellphone. Paminaw na lang mo mga ka-asenso ha. 57-61 as Doña has the ball. Now to Caballero. Driving. 2 defenders. Falls away. Missed. And isa na namang foul para kay Bolo Taulo. Balik tayo kanina, no? Game recap. Doña with a nice, Doña na noon. Diba with a nice timing for that rejection against Opsima. Upsan yun ni Diba. Ni Diba, yan, ni Diba. Nindot kayo og ambak si Diba ato nga time. Jimeno for 3 missed. Caballero with the rebound. Heavily guarded by Kalawan. Good screen there. Now Caballero. Nakalusot. Pass intercepted by Kalawan. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Balintawak.
It's Davis Fisher.
Linienza up by 4. Ay, balintawak. Barangay Linienza di ay. To Caballero, double team. Tulong Gakit. Heavily guarded by Jimeno. Donya na bakante. Bang! Donya. Hindi binantayan. Ayan tuloy. Disgrasya sa 3. Opsima. To Jimeno. Umatake against Diba. What a play! Kaso lang mintes. And Jimeno with an acrobatic standing.
Ball number 1. Here's Ray. Second personal ball. Substitution. New number 9. Here's Ray. For number 7. Spice ball.
57-64. Diba sa gitna. Sa Balotalo sa ilalim. Umararo missed. And a foul called against Kalawan. Bulutalo with a broad body under the basket.
Third personal ball.
And kitang-kita ni Kalawan ang pasa na yon. And it's good. 59-64. Caballero with the ball with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Donya sa corner. Balik kay Caballero. Driving over Diba. Diba with a heavy traffic and he's fouled.
Ball number 7. Spice. First personal ball. For 3 ball. Lucias for number 20.
Diba. First throw. And good. Second throw. And got it again. Puerto to Kalawan, to Opsima. Matras. Umatake, ball strip from his hands, almost lost. 4-second shot clock. Kalawan with a nice fake. Floater no good. Advantage unique si Diba yun para sa Barangay Linienza. Grabbing too many rebounds here. Penalty situation for both teams. But both teams have 2 timeouts.
Lucias for number 70. Habanero.
Second throw, Caballero, good. Timeout called by Barangay Balintawak as they trail by 9 points. Unti-unti nang lumalayo si Barangay Linienza. Back to our ball game from that timeout. Long 3 for Puerto. Missed. What is happening? Medyo mahaba pa yung oras. Minadali ni Puerto ang tira na yon. Caballero. Longgakit. Balik kay Caballero. Taking their time with 10-second shot clock. Cross is over. Good screen by Diva. Caballero napahinto. Donya. Pass. Strip. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso as Puerto running. And no foul called. Opsima. Missed. Ayun, may foul na itinawag against Longgakit. Yun, technical foul. Yun, technical foul for Barangay Linjensa's bench. (59-68), 9-point lead for Barangay Linjensa. Technical foul called against the bench of sama gitu. All right, 2 shots for Puerto. And missed. Puerto, second throw, no good. (59-68), still Barangay Linjensa is on the lead. Longgakit. Now to Caballero. Good defense by Kalawan. Ay, kinuha na ng foul. Blind spot by the referee. Close call. And Caballero on the line. Penalty. And it's good. 10-point lead for Barangay Linjensa. Second throw. Pasok na naman. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining. Opsima. Good feed para kay Saison. And may foul na itinawag against Diba. Ganda ng cut ni Saison sa ilalim. Opsima, ang ganda rin ang kita ni Opsima. But Diba is there for the rejection. Kaso lang, natawagan ng foul. Second throw. And missed. Longgakit with the rebound. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. Ball stolen by Caballero. Offensive foul call against Caballero. Timeout called by Barangay Balintawak. Balintawak with no timeouts left. Linjensa still has 2 timeouts. And they have a 10-point lead with 1 minute and 1 second remaining sa ato ang fourth quarter. King Rudik is in the house. Together with Princess Raima. Huh! Disney princess nga mangulata kung daog-daogon. Ay sabasam, ay sabasam. Disney Princess Raima. Jimeno to Puerto. Under a minute to play. Puerto to Opsima. Balik kay Puerto. Runner, floater, missed. Bolotaulo with the rebound. 43 seconds left. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Barangay Liniensa. Both teams no fouls to give. Ball stolen by Jimeno. Tiningnan pa si Caballero for the layup. Lead now is cut to 8 and is fouled by Opsima.
Foul number 6, Opsima.
30 segundos mga ka-asenso. 8-point lead for Barangay Liniensa. Good decision there by Opsima, fouling Donya. Tingnan natin. And it was a good decision for missing that first free throw. Second throw. Another miss. Rebounded by Saison. Naghahabol sa oras. Out of bounds. Careless pass by Saison. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Liniensa. And they are going to finish this game. Foul call against Saison. 25 seconds.
Saison, second, first and foul. Those shots for number 5, Bolotaulo.
Bolotaulo misses first throw. Pangalawang tira. And it's good. 9 points. Nag-trap pa talaga si Barangay Liniensa. Bolotaulo with a crossover. Lays it up in the middle and it's good. Naglalaro na lang si Bolotaulo. And that seals the deal for this afternoon's game. Saison humirit pa ng 3. And that's the end of our regulation mga ka-asenso. 65-73. Congratulations to Barangay Liniensa for winning this game. This has been your commentator Gab. Ayong hapon kaninyong tanan.
65-73. Winner. This is brought to you by Talking Book. Starting